Welcome to Clarissa and Mount's World. I'm doing stuffed peppers today, and I'm feeling good, as y'all can see. So, what does it consist of, you say? Peppers. You can use any type of meat. We have fresh ground turkey. We use ground turkey. You can use beef. Shit. You can use steak, cheese, and rice. I'm gonna use some bag rice because I don't know how to cook regular rice, so I'm gonna just use that. You feel me? So, tomato sauce. I had to make sure I had to check on the water. So what we got going on right here, you guys? Let's got the water boiling. Put butter in there. I ain't no chef now, shit. Ain't got the other stuff for the meat, but the water, and we're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven about 4. And I'm gonna change these gloves out because I ain't disgusting. So now what I'm about to do is go ahead and season the meat. I use some salt. You use whatever you want to use. Don't give a damn, you don't use shit. Sorry, excuse my language. Just just feeling good today. Just feeling good. Just feel like cussing today. I can't curse. They curse in movies, bro. So, bam. Now, I put some, what's that, Old Bay? Now I'm gonna put some Old Bay. Then I'm gonna put some, seasoning salt. Damn! Seasoning salt. My fault, you guys. Seasoning salt. I'm trying to get this damn camera set up straight. Some pepper. Some garlic powder. Whatever you got. Whatever you feel like putting in your meat and you think it's going to taste good to you. You put that thing on there. You feel me? Don't worry about nobody else saying some shit. It might be nasty. But shit, if it do the thing for you, it do the thing for you. Go ahead and cut this up. After I cut this, unplug the toaster because it look like there's some shit going on, okay? I'm going to go ahead and cut this up. I'm going to go ahead and wrench it off. Onions. Go ahead and throw that into the damn thing. Hey, what the damn is that? I'm using one hand, you guys. Everybody got a pot with grease on the damn stove. Damn. Then that's the damn onion skin. When your family hungry, you gotta go ahead and you gotta cook that shit quick. Damn. Alright, bet. Okay, now, so we need the rice, like I said. The water boiling. Damn, look at that camera. Camera skills. Water boiling. Oven set. Preheating to 400. Dang. Shit. Sorry, you guys. Told you I'm quick today. I gotta be quick on it. Alright, you guys. Got the peppers. And what we're gonna do, look at this. Let's go ahead and cut these open. This is an easy meal to do. I don't care, if you can't cook, it's something simple. You feel me? Take that shit out. Look. What I like to do, because it be seeds. If you like the seeds, you can keep them. But I wrench the inside of it out. Carve that out real quick. Alright, go ahead and bust another one open. But it's a simple meal, like I said, kids like it. I mean, you know, they be hungry, they like anything. I mean, they don't like anything, but shoot, it's delicious. They like it. They like meat and cheese and rice. They like it. Simple. It don't take long. You see how fast I'm cooking this thing up? I used to have nothing like that, so I'm about to finish cutting this up. And the meat's about to start. And the water's boiling. I got it boiling the bag. 10-minute rice. You can do whatever rice. Spanish rice. Haitian. Shoot. Japanese rice. Damn, I keep fucking this thing up, man. Alright, just don't make sure you don't do this like that. Just be careful. Like this one right here is perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this. And I'm gonna okay. I'm getting to it. I'll grab one of these things real quick. Rice, water's ready. Meat ready. It be stirred. It's not ready to cook full. It's ready to be mushed up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the top if you didn't know what to do. Meat done. About to go ahead and drain. Had to season it a little more. Rice is done. It's marinating in the butter. And I gotta take it out the bag. And I'm gonna stuff it. Look at that. Look at that. What's up? Alright, go ahead and add the tomato sauce to the meat. As you can tell, went to Walmart today. Tomato sauce. Stir that in. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. Man, I'm telling you. That smells delicious. Trust me, trust me. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more, man. Throw one more of them things in there, man. Go ahead and do that, man. One more can of tomato sauce in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take the rice out and stuff the peppers, add cheese, put it in the oven about 15-20 minutes, depending how you like the crispy of your cheese. So I'm gonna bust the bag open. Well, get some more water in here. So I'm gonna drain that water out real quick. Draining the water. I'm gonna bust the bag. Well, I can't bust it holding the phone. Let me sit here. See that? Thugging it out. Thugging it out. Once. Yep. Cause what I'm about to do, go ahead and get rid of this water real quick. Oh shit, back slip. Bam. Add some pepper. See this? This bit. We're gonna add some rice to the. I mean, not rice. Some damn salt. Not too much, but you might think I'm putting a lot of not. And add some butter to the equation. I'm not adding a lot of butter. Nah. Shit, you might add a lot. This is, let's add a little scoop, a little, you know. Hey, what's that shit called? Knifeful of butter. I mean, shit, get some flavor. Having a hard time scooping this up. Damn. Shit. Damn. Alright, that's enough. Stir this up. So we're gonna stir up the. Oh no, that's fine right there, bro. Make it nice and buttery. Hey, babe. Now you can do it however you just mix the rice and the meat and hey, babe, do I put the rice? Then do I mix the rice and the meat together, or and then add the cheese and layer? Okay, yeah, that's what I do. Rice and the meat together, or and then add the cheese and layer. Okay, yeah, that's what I do. Tell me what I need. She ready to eat that rice, man. Get in the car. Get in the car in there. It's great. It's good, bad. Alright, so about to add the cheese. I'm gonna add the rice into the meat. So we're gonna mix the rice. Ain't take that long, did it? Rice flying everywhere. Y'all don't see that. Mix the rice into the meat. You got a pan. Alright, now that everything is mixed, let's do some filling. Damn, my fault. So we can go ahead. And we're gonna go ahead and add it. Stuff it. That's what I call stuffed peppers. My fault, you guys. Cheese coming in. There we go. Now this is just not even halfway. As you can tell. For the cheese lover, I like to stuff it. Bam. And then after that, let's add some more meat to it. This is enough for a whole meal. Believe me, one will fill your ass up. And then they be like, "Oh, you so proud." I mean, you know, you fancy. I didn't know you was that fancy. I didn't know you ate etiquetely. You know, you feel me? I didn't know you did that. You do that. You know what I'm saying, fellas? That's how you get the ladies cooking. You know what I'm saying? They be like, "Oh, you know how to cook all that fancy stuff." You know, you probably getting up some hood rats anyway. Okay, anyway. Bam. Alright, we're gonna stuff all these peppers the same exact way. Now now that you stuff these peppers, so the camera's on. Let me bring the camera close. So you can take a good glance at that thing. You know? I mean, it might look like that right now, but let me put in the oven. I promise you, man. Alright. Oven. Heat it 400 degrees. Oh, this motherfucker's there! Oh, shit. Damn. Like 15-20 minutes. Baking time. Damn. Now that you stuff these peppers, so the camera's on. Let me bring the camera close so you can take a good glance at that thing. You know, I mean, it might look like that right now, but let me put in the oven. I promise you, man. Alright. Oven. Heat it 400 degrees. Oh, this motherfucker's in there! Oh, shit. Damn. Like 15-20 minutes. Baking time.